Hey guys, welcome back to the BdThemes widget tutorial. In this video, we'll talk about the Range Gallery widget brought to you by the Pixel Gallery add-on for Elementor. While images are meant to be shared, the Range widget helps your visitors share your images with dedicated social share buttons on the gallery items. Whenever a visitor hovers over the items, they can see the floating social share button appear on the images along with the image title and meta content. Of course, the share buttons can be turned off if needed, and you can create variable layouts for the gallery to stand out. No limits to your creativity as you apply them here. These are the front-end examples of the widget. Now, let me show you how the back-end customization work on the Range widget. The widget is already dropped inside the page editor. On your left, the first option lets you change the number of grid template columns. Then you can tweak the row gap, column gap, and item height scroll bars to customize the shape of the whole gallery. Turning on the masonry switcher will transform the gallery into masonry. Then there are 3 more switchers that can show or hide the title, meta, and social link buttons on the canvas. The alignment option works on the content part. Then you can customize the image dimension of the whole widget from the image size option. Then choose media file for the link option and set lightbox to yes. This will activate the link trigger function for the gallery. The items section is where all the gallery items are listed. You can add more by clicking the add item button. Now let's click on the first item box and see inside. From there, click on the image field and it will let you choose a gallery image. Then you can select an image and perhaps change the image title to match the context. You can also customize the meta info for all individual gallery items. And you can set a custom link per item. Now complete customizing the rest by following the first one. Let's add one more item and customize it too. Alright, now go back to the first item. Open it and switch to the grid subsection. Here, let's just change the row span to 2 so the item now occupies 2 row tiles and gets bigger vertically. For the next item, only increase the column span and see the image grow bigger horizontally. You can keep the current mixed gallery layout or customize the item shapes more to get your desired layout. Let's test our layout by hovering over the items and see the hover animation popping up. Then you can go to the social link section and customize the links that will be visible on the items. Each social link items gives you options to edit the title, link, and icon of the social platform. Technically, you can add any number of social links to your image gallery. As a custom linking option, there is no restriction to the type of website you are inserting there too, like how we are adding YouTube now. Well then, let's move to the Style tab to apply customization directly to the appearance. First, go to the Content section and change the background color to bluish. You can check it how it looks now. Then go to the Title section and make the text color white. You can also go for the typography option to customize the font of the title. Let's change the font family, size, and weight. Then you can go to the meta section and change the text color to white too, while customizing the typography to match the title. Next, move to the social link section and change the link icon color to white. Then change the background color to a matching blue tone. Now minimize the control panel and take a good look at the completed layout. That's how easily we can create such an amazing image gallery using the Range widget. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe to get updates on new tutorials. Stay safe and see you next time.